Oh, king in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair. Oh, go do this, king in the castle.
Now, it's been a while since Borat was relevant. During the height of the original movie's pandemonium and for a long while after, it was very cringy to reference or impersonate Borat.
Jak się masz? My name is Borat. Hello, my name is Borat.
Very similar to when Rick and Morty became too mainstream. In this video, we're going to look at Borat King in the Castle memes. What are they? What are the best ones? And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to make your own one. So hello, g'day, my name is Geordie Shortribs and I've been making memes for a few years now, and in this series I like to do deep dives into different memes. So if this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos and you like art, then you should click subscribe. Now that's the formalities out of the way, and let's just jump back into it. Now the reason I'm making this video is because when I first saw the meme done, I was so blown away, I wanted to see if there's any more good versions out there. And to my shock, there's only a few. One for Minecraft, one for Skyrim, and one for Breath of the Wild. The oldest version I could find is Borat in Minecraft, uploaded on the 31st of October on the Memes by Cowbelly channel, and it was created by yilmaz.exe.
Is this my house? Answer, please.
Now, the music playing in the background is from a song Everybody's Talking by the artist Harry Nilsson, published by Sony ATV Publishing, which I know because the bastards have claimed the ads for this meme.
Copy strike.
So I'm only able to play short clips of it.
King in the castle, king in the castle.
So if you want to check out the full one, make sure you click the link in the video description below, but only after watching this video. Now, this version is brilliant, Borat is perfectly cut out, the camera movement really sells the effect, and Minecraft graphics are just naturally funny. The Skyrim version was the next one that was uploaded on the 12th of November 2020 to the Neverthink YouTube channel, and I'm guessing it was created by one of their residential legends, Junkari P or Jacob. The opening scene here is a meme in itself.
Hey, you. You're finally awake. Hey, you. You're finally awake.
So it definitely has quite a few levels going straight off the bat.
Oh la la. Oh, king in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair.
The next version is the Borat in Breath of the Wild, uploaded on the 14th of November by Video Junkie, which, like the others, is just pure art.
Have a chair, I have a chair.
The final scene with Borat doing his business in front of the Gerudo guard is perfection. Now, Video Junkie has recently uploaded another addition to the template, Borat 2077, which is not only hilarious, but an absolute masterpiece.
What type of dog is this?
Hey, cat face.
Come on and make my day, asshole.
And what makes it even more perfect is because I recently uploaded a Borat in Cyberpunk meme of my own, which I made specifically just so I could give a quick tutorial at the end of this video. So for the folks wondering how to make your own, here's a real quick rundown. So first, you're going to need After Effects. Then, you're going to need the Borat clip. Make sure you buy the Blu-ray or DVD, I don't condone any sailing on the high seas. And then, you need the game or the thing you want to chuck him into. Okay, so now you've got all the tools. First, you're going to want to rotoscope out Borat. Make sure you stock up on some coffee because this will make you more sleepy than being on a date with Bill Cosby.
Fuck you, man.
Yep, you have to go frame by frame here, folks. Sometimes it does the work for you, but sometimes it doesn't. The next thing you want to do is capture the camera movement. And then you want to chuck in the background image or video that you want Borat to be in front of. Make sure the file is in 3D space by clicking this button here. Send it back a bit, scale it up, and then check please you're in business.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh la la. Oh, king in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair. Oh, go do this, go do this.
Okay, so that's your Borat King in the Castle memes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below if you have any questions or suggestions of what you'd like to see next. I'm going to put a couple links to some of my previous breakdowns in one of these corners here, so give those a watch. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. High five!